Have you ever wondered if those trendy detox programs are actually worth your time and money? What if everything you knew about cleansing your body was completely wrong? From dangerous myths to scientifically backed truths, we're diving deep into the detox industry's best-kept secrets. Discover how your body naturally cleanses itself, learn which methods actually work, and find out why most detox products are nothing but expensive placebos. But beware, what you're about to learn might change your health routine forever. Stay until the end to uncover the safe, effective way to support your body's natural detoxification process. Don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening health revelations. In the bustling city of Metropolis, where wellness trends spread faster than morning traffic, Sarah found herself standing in front of yet another Juice Cleanse display at her local health store. The vibrant bottles promised immediate purification and a new beginning, just like dozens of others she'd tried before. Like many urban professionals, she had fallen victim to the detox marketing machine, spending hundreds on magical elixirs that guaranteed to flush away years of dietary sins. The truth is, our bodies aren't strangers to detoxification. They've been doing it naturally for thousands of years. Your liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system work around the clock, filtering toxins and maintaining balance. Yet, somewhere along the way, we became convinced that these remarkable organs needed expensive help. Modern detox programs often prey on this misunderstanding, creating elaborate protocols that sound scientific but lack substantial evidence. Consider the activated charcoal craze. While it does bind to certain substances, its effectiveness as a universal detox agent is vastly overstated. Many detox products contain ingredients that can actually harm your natural cleansing processes, disrupting your gut microbiome and causing nutritional deficiencies. The history of detoxification is as old as medicine itself, with ancient civilizations developing various purification rituals. However, today's commercial detox programs bear little resemblance to these traditional practices. Modern versions emerged in the late 20th century, riding the wave of growing health consciousness and celebrity endorsements. What started as simple fasting evolved into complex regimens involving everything from coffee enemas to crystal-infused water. The science behind true detoxification is far less glamorous but infinitely more effective. Our liver employs sophisticated enzymatic processes to break down toxins, while our kidneys efficiently filter waste through millions of microscopic structures. The gastrointestinal tract maintains a delicate balance of beneficial bacteria that supports immune function and nutrient absorption. When marketers claim their products can boost these systems, they often ignore the fact that our bodies already operate at optimal efficiency under normal conditions. The danger lies not just in wasting money on ineffective products, but in potentially damaging these perfectly functioning systems through misguided interventions. Instead of chasing the latest detox fads, experts recommend focusing on supporting your body's natural capabilities. Proper hydration, for instance, remains one of the most effective ways to assist kidney function and maintain cellular health. A balanced diet rich in whole foods provides essential nutrients that actually enhance liver function. Think cruciferous vegetables, citrus fruits, and quality proteins. Regular physical activity stimulates blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, helping your body eliminate waste more efficiently. Adequate sleep allows your body to perform crucial repair and regeneration processes, including cellular detoxification. These fundamental practices cost nothing but commitment and understanding. Ironically, the very lifestyle changes that lead people to seek detox solutions, poor diet, lack of exercise, inadequate sleep, are precisely what compromise our natural detoxification abilities in the first place. By addressing these root causes, we achieve far better results than any trendy program could offer. Moreover, when we focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes, we create lasting benefits for our overall health and well-being. The detox industry thrives on creating fear and promising easy solutions, but the reality is both simpler and more empowering. Rather than viewing your body as something that needs periodic cleaning, consider how you can support its continuous natural processes every day. Start by examining your daily routines. Are you drinking enough water? Are you getting regular exercise? Is your diet providing the nutrients your body needs to function optimally? Small, consistent changes yield far greater results than any week-long juice cleanse ever could. For those concerned about environmental toxins, focus on reducing exposure through practical measures like choosing organic produce, using natural cleaning products, and improving indoor air quality. Remember that true health transformation doesn't come in a bottle or a powder. It comes from building sustainable habits that honor your body's wisdom. As we conclude our exploration of detox programs, remember that the most powerful tool for your health isn't something you can buy. It's the knowledge of how to support your body's incredible natural abilities. If you found this journey enlightening, join our community of health-conscious individuals by subscribing to our channel. Together, let's separate fact from fiction and build healthier lives based on scientific truth rather than marketing hype.